बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम कतान by कतान silk mark certified साड़ी in Shikarga. You can see the beautiful motifs on the sari, and the shade is also very beautiful. This is red by pink shade, which comes out very beautiful. These are the Meenakari motifs in Lehriya pattern. Pallu and blouse piece is plain with border. बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम कतान by कतान silk Shikarga साड़ी, red by pink cross shade. The beautiful motifs on the sari. See the beautiful motifs. This is the Meenakari pallu. Blouse piece is always plain with border. Same border as the sari. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk Shikarga sari, silk mark certified 100% pure sari. You can see the beautiful weaving on the sari. This is the look. Look of the sari. 100% pure, silk mark certified. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk Shikarga sari. Beautiful motifs on the sari. You can see the beautiful motifs. Upper and lower both sides you will get the same borders. Silk mark certified 100% pure sari with the intricately weaved pallu with zari. Blouse piece is plain with border, same as the sari. That's the look of the whole. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk Shikarga sari, silk mark certified. The beautiful small motifs, animal motifs on the sari, upper and lower both sides equal and same borders with intricately weaved pallu. It's the look of the whole sari. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk Shikarga sari, silk mark certified. Upper and lower both sides you will get the same border. I'll show you the motifs. Fully zari and Meenakari weaved. Pallu is also very beautiful, and blouse piece is always plain with the same border as the sari. Look of the sari. 100% pure, silk mark certified. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk, a very beautiful deep violet color with a lovely and intricately weaved design. Upper and lower both sides the same and equal borders. This is the pallu, and this comes the border. Sorry. Blouse piece is plain with border. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk, silk mark certified sari. This is the highly demanded design in Shikarga. See close-up look of the sari. This is the pallu. Blouse piece is always plain with border in these saris. It's a very classy, very elegant saris. A beautiful blue color katan silk sari in Shikarga, 100% pure, weaved with the beautiful Meenakari. The motifs are very excellent. Design is very beautiful. This is the pallu, and blouse piece is plain with border. These are premium quality 100% pure katan by katan silks. Very beautiful Shikarga sari, 100% pure katan by katan silk, weaved with pure zari with animal motifs. This is the beautiful sari. You can see the motifs. This is the pallu, and blouse piece is plain with border always in these saris. This is a very lovely design and very beautiful shade. A very beautiful subtle shade of katan by katan silk Shikarga sari. You can see the beautiful motifs on the sari. Upper and lower both sides the same and equal borders. This is the intricately weaved pallu. Blouse piece is always plain with border. This is orange by pink cross shade. This looks very beautiful. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk Shikarga sari. The beautiful border with the birds and animals motifs. This is the pallu, and blouse piece is always plain with border in these saris. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk, silk mark certified Shikarga sari. Beautiful deep bottle green color. You can see the lovely motifs, something unique with the intricately weaved pallu. Beautiful look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk Shikarga sari. This is a beautiful color matching. You can see a very beautiful pink, pastel pink, with the Meenakari colors are very settled, very beautiful colors. Motifs are extremely beautiful. You can see. This comes the pallu. Blouse piece is always plain with border in these saris. See. Lovely shade, beautiful sari in katan by katan, silk mark certified 100% pure Shikarga. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk Shikarga sari, 100% pure katan, silk mark certified, weaved with beautiful motifs. See the lovely animal and birds motifs. This is the look of the sari. Intricately weaved pallu. Blouse piece is always plain with border in these sarees. You can see the look of the whole saree. Upper and lower always same border. Banarsi pure handloom katan by katan silk shikarga saree. The beautiful motifs on the saree. 100% pure silk mark certified. Upper and lower both sides the same border. This is the pallu. Blouse piece is plain with border in these sarees. A beautiful red color shikarga saree. The beautiful intricately weaved border. The motifs are very beautiful. You can see the motifs. Upper and lower both sides the same and equal borders. This is the pallu. Blouse piece is plain with border. See, this is the look of the saree. A very beautiful yellow color katan silk shikarga saree, silk marked certified, 100% pure. You can see the beautiful animal motifs on the saree. A very smart pallu, simple and smart. And this is the look of the saree with the blouse piece plain with border. A very beautiful blood red color in Katan Banarsi Shikarga saree. You can see the beautiful motifs on the saree, upper and lower both sides same, with the beautiful and rich pallu. Blouse piece is plain with border. This is the whole look of the saree. Banarsi pure handloom Katan by Katan silk. Beautiful saree in Shikarga. You can see the lovely motifs on the saree. This is the pallu and blouse piece is always plain with border in these sarees. Banarsi pure handloom Katan by Katan Shikarga saree. Highly demanded sarees nowadays. Animal and bird motifs. Upper and lower both sides the same border. This is the body. This is the pallu. Intricately weaved meenakari pallu and this is the border. The whole look of the saree.